Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and matching tools. First, copy the entire saves folder to an external location so nothing is lost. Next, check which launcher and game version you currently run. You need an exact match when restoring beta files. Then install the Java runtime that the beta expects, often Java 8, because modern runtimes cause crashes. Once done, make sure you have admin rights and disable automatic updates so the beta files won't overwrite themselves. Now perform the core installation steps. Create a custom profile in your launcher that points to a new game directory to avoid corrupting your current install. Replace the version. Jar and assets with the beta-compatible files you obtained, place them in the versions folder, and update the JSON if needed. Configure JVM memory and arguments. Assign around 1 GB or more based on world size to prevent lag. Make sure file permissions allow the launcher to read and write these files. Finish by launching the beta from your custom profile and immediately test core mechanics and areas in your world. This reveals missing resources or entity issues. When migrating a world, always copy it into the beta directory rather than moving it, then inspect for missing blocks or corrupted chunks. If the game crashes, open the crash log and look for Java or mod errors. Try switching to the matched Java runtime, reduce mods, or restore your backup. One key tip: crash logs often point straight to the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.